Jan 3rd, 9:15 a.m. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Already a sell call generated. That means yesterday after 3 p.m. a sell call generated, that red color candle. That selling momentum followed up to today 10:30 a.m. So after 10:30, a first fresh buy call generated, green color candle open. Daily in live market, it will generate calls like a signals. It's an automatic process. Okay. So how you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch this chart on daily basis and you will get the calls like a signal. Through that calls entry points, you can place the orders in your broker account. So today the first call came at 47,918. That straight white line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So today the first call came at 47,918. First target range is 48,038. It's 120 point first target range. Okay, more than 100 point first target. Second target is double of first target, more than a 200 point first target. So daily in live market, you will get these calls like a signal. Through these calls, you can place orders in your broker account. Manually, you can place the order or auto trading also possible. For plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. A sudden movement. During this movement in 2 candle, it break out the first target range. During the entire momentum, market was not able to break out the 48,000 range. After 3-4 times resistance, it finally break out 48,000 and reached the first target. Like this today call generated and break out the target. 47,500 call option in the money option, today expiring weekly expiry option. At 166 buy call generated and market breakout 270 range. Due to in the money option, it has given a quite a momentum. But at the money option, 47,900 call option, the call came at 25 and break out the 45. Due to the expiry, the premium is going to 0. So currently market trading at 40 range. Like this, you can change the script in this chart. Automatically calls will come for each script. If you want to subscribe for this, if you want this chart, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.